Are you ready to give your home a fresh, vibrant summer makeover? Imagine stepping into a space filled with sunshine, bright colors, and refreshing tropical vibes. Whether you're decorating indoors or outdoors, I'm sharing 10 must-try summer decoration ideas to transform your home into the ultimate summer retreat. Stick around because I'll also reveal one simple trick that instantly makes any space feel more open, airy, and summer-ready.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can I bring a summer vibe into my living room? Your living room is the heart of your home, so giving it a summer refresh will instantly brighten up your space. One easy way is swapping out dark, heavy decor for light and airy textiles, such as linen or cotton throws and cushions in pastel or tropical prints. Another great idea is adding fresh flowers or greenery, like sunflowers, eucalyptus, or tropical palms, to bring a fresh and lively touch to the room. If you want a dramatic change, consider using removable wallpaper with summer-inspired patterns, like palm leaves or ocean waves, for an instant seasonal transformation. Love these summer living room ideas? Like and share this video to spread the summer vibes. What are some easy DIY summer decor ideas? DIY projects are a fun and affordable way to add a summer vibe to your home. One simple idea is creating a DIY seashell garland using shells collected from your beach trips and stringing them together for a coastal touch. Another creative project is painting mason jars in bright summery colors and using them as flower vases or lanterns. If you love upcycling, turn old wooden crates into a stylish outdoor coffee table or plant stand for a rustic summer look. Love DIY decor? Check the description for more easy and affordable summer craft ideas. How can I decorate my patio for a summer get-together? Your patio is the perfect place to enjoy summer evenings, and decorating it can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. One must-have is stringing up outdoor fairy lights or lanterns to create a cozy, magical ambience for nighttime gatherings. Another fantastic idea is setting up an outdoor rug and colorful throw pillows to turn your patio into a comfortable lounge space. If you love dining outdoors, invest in a simple yet stylish outdoor dining set and use tropical or nautical-themed tableware to set the summer mood. Planning a summer party? Drop a comment below with your favorite outdoor decor ideas. How can I add a summer touch to my kitchen and dining area? Bringing summer into your kitchen and dining area is all about small yet impactful changes. One easy way is placing a fresh fruit bowl with lemons, oranges, or pineapples as a colorful and natural centerpiece. Another stylish touch is switching out your dishware for bright, summery patterns like floral or tropical designs. To complete the look, use woven placemats, glass pitchers, and fresh herb planters to enhance the seasonal feel. Loving these kitchen styling tips? Subscribe for more seasonal home decor ideas. How can I make my bedroom feel more summer ready? Your bedroom should feel light and breezy during the summer months. One way to achieve this is switching out heavy comforters for lightweight, breathable bedding in soft, natural colors like white, sky blue, or sandy beige. Another great idea is incorporating rattan or wicker decor, such as baskets, mirrors, or pendant lights, for a coastal-inspired vibe. If you love a tropical look, adding botanical or floral printed cushions, curtains, or even peel-and-stick wallpaper can make a huge difference. Want more summer bedroom makeover ideas? Check the description for my top decor finds. How can I decorate my entryway for summer? Your entryway is the first thing guests see, so why not make it feel warm and inviting for summer? A great way to do this is placing a vibrant summer wreath on your door, featuring elements like dried flowers, shells, or lemons. Another fun idea is adding a bright, patterned doormat that instantly sets a cheerful tone. To complete the look, placing a woven basket with beach towels or summer hats near the entrance creates both a stylish and functional touch. Love decorating your entryway? Check the description for my favorite summer wreath and doormat picks. What are some summer decor trends for 2024? Keeping up with the latest decor trends can make your home feel stylish and up to date. One of the biggest summer trends this year is biophilic design, which means incorporating more plants, natural materials, and earthy tones into your decor. Another trendy idea is using bold, statement colors like coral, turquoise, and sunny yellow to create an energetic and lively atmosphere. For a modern touch, mixing tropical prints with minimalist furniture creates a chic yet relaxed summer vibe. Want to see more trending decor styles? Check the description for my favorite 2024 summer decor trends. How can I use lighting to enhance my summer decor? Lighting plays a huge role in setting a summer mood. One of the best ways to create a warm summer glow is using candle lanterns or solar-powered garden lights to illuminate outdoor spaces in the evenings. Another simple trick is switching out warm, heavy lampshades for lighter, woven, or rattan shades to create a breezy feel. If you love fairy lights, draping them around your bedroom, patio, or mantel can add a magical summer touch. Want to upgrade your lighting for summer? Check the description for my favorite lighting picks. Summer is the perfect time to refresh your home and embrace bright, breezy, and tropical vibes. Whether you're decorating your living room, patio, bedroom, or entryway, these 10 summer decor ideas will help you create a fresh and inviting space. Which idea is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for even more summer home inspiration. Happy decorating!